if a equals to root 5 plus root 3, we have to prove a cube plus 8 divide a cube equals to 28 root 5. So first here is a given a equals to root 5 plus root 3. So look, here is a point. It's a 8 divide a to the power 3. So for this reason, we have to find out the value of a plus 1 by a. So a equals to root 5 plus root 3. So 1 divide a means 1 divide root 5 plus root 3. So what is the conjugate number of root 5 plus root 3? In this fraction, we are multiplying root 5 minus root 3. So it will be root 5 plus root 3 times root 5 minus root 3. Okay. Next, here root 5 minus root 3 will be unchanged, and it's looking a plus b and a minus b. So we can write a square minus b square, root 5 square minus root 3 square. Now here will be root 5 minus root 3, and this is a 5 minus 3. So finally here is a root 5 minus root 3. Divide 5 minus 3 is a 2. So this is the value of 1 by a. But here is a one thing. Look, left hand side. Here is a cube plus 8 divide a cube. So this one we can write a cube plus 8, it means 2, and here is a, then all cube, it's a cube. So as per a cube plus b cube, we know a plus 2 by a whole cube minus 3 times a times 2 by a times a plus 2 by a. So look, here is a 2 by a. We need 2 by a. A we can get from given root 5 plus root 3, but 2 by a we can get from here. How? If we cross multiply, 2a means root 5 minus root 3, right? So we just put this value in here. A means what? A means root 5 plus root 3, then plus 2 by root a, we just get the value which is a root 5 minus root 3. Okay, and all cube. This a and a out, 2 times 3, it's a minus 6, and here is a plus a 2 by a. So this one against this one we can write a means a root 5 plus a root 3, this one, and plus 2 by a means root 5 minus root 3. Okay, so now this root 3 and minus root 3, so we can out this one, root 5 plus root 5, 2 root 5, and it's a cube minus 6 times this root 3 and minus root 3, so we can out root 5 plus root 5, 2 root 5. Okay, now 2 cube it means 8, root 5 cube it means 5 root 5. Okay, minus 6 times 2, it's a 12 root 5. 8 times 5, it's a 40, and here is a root 5 minus 12 root 5. Finally we get 28 root 5. And look, in right side also same thing, 28 plus 28 times root 5. So we can say a cube plus 8 by a cube equals to 28 root 5 are proved. So it's the right hand side. Finally, left hand side equals to right. hand side. Okay, so it's a very important as advanced algebra. I hope you cleared this one. If have any question, please write a line in the comment section. Thank you.